think what's unique about IE is the fact that you can have like top researchers coming from top institutions like Oxford University, Yale, MIT, and ETH in Zurich, sitting together with executives from corporate, from entrepreneurs, policymakers, or very talented students, all bringing their own side in order to collaborate together to break and to tackle actually the most important problem that one needs to face. The research that is done by our professors combines both a fundamental aspect and an applied research in collaboration with industry. I have to say we have the most amazing students at IE. They're really driven. They have like a very wide range of skills. So we're really looking forward to incorporate them into our projects. And one possible way to do so is through the capstone project. But beyond that, we also have lots of applied labs where we put practical problems for them to work on. The main drive of the way we teach here is always learn by doing and try to connect everything that we're teaching with practical side of things. I guess one achievement that I'm particularly fond of is this project about optimization of maritime routes. So it uses meteorological information, consumption modeling, artificial intelligence to help the shipping companies find what are the best routes that they need to operate. According to our work on our simulations, we can save somewhere between 5 and 10% of fuel, and this ends up being like a huge impact. I think one of the greatest advantages, which potentially could also be a challenge for IE, especially in the School of Science and Technology, is that we are very young. Our hands are free to design all these research programs in the direction which will make the highest impact, on the aspects that matter the most nowadays. This youth and this energy that you have from creating something from scratch is actually what drives most of us and that brings the best people that we found to contribute and to create what's going to be a leading research institution very soon.